Today we are looking at the FitStill Diving Kit. It's affordable, it keeps your camera dry, and it gets the job done. But it comes with a few quirks you need to know before you dive in. Just like the official case, you have to remove the microphone cap before sliding the camera in. Honestly, it's a bit of a hassle. Once it's inside, don't expect a perfect fit immediately. The power button on the case doesn't align with the camera at first. You will need to give it a little nudge, fiddle with it. It's a minor annoyance, but keep it in mind if you are trying to catch a quick shot. The kit includes a floating hand grip. It's basic and non-retractable, which is fine for a budget kit. However, if you swap it for a different stick, you might run into a mounting headache. The hinge design actually blocks the camera from tilting it to a full 90 degrees angle. If you need that specific top-down shot, this might be a deal breaker. Then there are the anti-fog inserts. They are reusable, which is great for the planet, but a pain for your fingers. They aren't adhesive, they aren't perfectly sized, so getting them to stay put while you close the case feels like a game of operation. With this case, versatility is limited. While the official Insta360 case gives you both vertical and horizontal mounting points, the FitStill only offers you a horizontal mounting point. And by the way, if you are shooting in a FreeFrame mode, then look out. You can clearly see the outer ring of the lens housing in your shot. So the verdict: it's a solid leak-proof case that won't fail you on the basics. If you are on a strict budget, then it's a win, but if you want to skip the fiddling and visible lens ring, then spending the extra $40 on an official Insta360 case is a massive quality of life upgrade. So what do you think? Is the $40 savings worth the extra work? Let me know in the comments.